Hi, this is Destiny, and I am here to share my beautiful nature sounds today. I came out here to sun gaze. The sun was so bright, and as soon as I got out here, the clouds came over, and the sun faded in the clouds. But I'm just gonna make this nature sound, so you're gonna hear a lot of things going on. There's a sound of water and people in the background, so this is a meditation. So relax and just let all these beautiful sounds take you out of your negative energy, out of all your negative vibes, out of all the negative thinking of people, even your own negative thoughts. Allow positivity to flow in as you hear the sound of the wind blowing, as you hear the water falling gently into the pool, and the clouds sitting a gray, beautiful caressness. Begin to breathe out all the negativity. Clearing the mind of all negative thoughts. Continue to breathe out. And letting go of all the things that entrap your mind to think at a low and negative level. Letting go. Releasing and letting it all go. Continue to breathe out. All the negative energy. You can watch your chest rise and fall. Rise and fall. You can do this with your eyes closed or your eyes open. But listen with your heart and hear the beautiful sounds of nature. Hear the sound of the water and seeing yourself taking a dive deep into the bottom of the ocean. And you're swimming, and you're swimming, and you're swimming, and you're moving at a high frequency and a vibration, and you begin to feel so free, so alive, and so energetic. Now as you bring your head from under the water, lift your head high and begin to breathe out. Now, allow yourself to swim back to the shore. As the sun comes out to embrace you, you can feel the sun beaming and beating against your face, touching you gently, intensely, as you can feel the love from the sun and the vibration. As the energy begins to open up into positive ways of thinking. Even if the sun goes into the clouds are steady and beautiful. Now just sit for a minute. Breathing in that good air, that good oxygen, that freeness. Breathing in that wholesomeness, that healthiness. Breathing in life of the universe. Breathing it all in. Taking in deep breaths. That was the good breeze from the wind, helping us breathe it in. Oxygen, energy, vibration, energy, and life. And just sit there and watch nature. It's the most beautiful clouds you could ever see. Beautiful blue. If you want to continue to breathe in and breathe out, you can do that on your own. Just take seconds in between. And first you want to breathe out anything negative. Now you're letting the negative go. Releasing it, freeing your mind, relaxing your body, and freeing your body now that you are totally, absolutely at your highest self, your divine consciousness state of mind. The ego is no longer present in your view, and it's not in control of your body or your mind. The ego is underneath you, and your soul now is in the driver's seat and is leading you into your higher and consciousness state of mind. Embrace all the sounds you hear, even the sounds of the people in the background. Nature has a way of sending messages to you.
Not good enough to make you happy though. You'll get there.
Continue to breathe in all the good energy. Let it flow down into your inner being. Let your soul consciousness awaken totally to all the beautiful sounds of nature. Let it touch every fabric of your being. Just continue, relax, continue to soothe your mind, your body, and stay tuned, stay so connected to your divine source, your creator, your universe. Stay attached to your divine self. You can either close your eyes or you can open your eyes, whatever works best for you, but just embrace it all. The sound of the breeze, the wind is flowing through. Allow it to move down into your body. Feel it, the energy.
Just hold on to me. You'll be fine. Live over.
Enjoy. Enjoy nature. The sun no longer is in the clouds, so it looks like we're going to have to sun gaze another day. That was my purpose for coming out. The sun was so brightly when I got out here, but it went in the clouds, so the clouds are super amazing. So we'll enjoy these beautiful clouds and this beautiful moment. Just relax and meditate. I like doing affirmations. After I had done my meditation for a while, I like to speak positivity into my life. I am beautiful. I am gorgeous. I am a powerful being. I am dynamic. I am super amazing. I am Wonder Woman. I live a life of wholesomeness, healthiness, and I'm totally complete. I am my divine creator. I create my own reality. I create my life. I am more than enough. I am powerful. I am light. I am love. I am peace. I am one with the universe. I am totally strong. I am so super amazing. I'm an extraordinary super being. I love who I am. I love my greater and higher self. I am super positive. I am one with my divine source and my creator. I am light, love, and peace. I am healthy. I am wholesome, and I am complete. I am grateful that I'm alive. I'm grateful for a healthy mind. I am so grateful for a healthy body. I am thankful for the universe that always has my back. I am grateful for healthy lungs, for a healthy body. I am healthy and whole. I am thankful for wholesome food. I am thankful for natural healthy being. I am thankful for Mother Nature. I am thankful for the universe and all the resources that the universe brings into my life. I love touching trees. I love vibrating at a higher energy and frequency. I am totally super human, a supernatural being. You can continue your affirmations or you can move back into your meditation. But just relax and breathe. You breathe in. Let your chest rise and fall. Embrace the sun is coming back too. Now, as we look up into the sun, I can sun gaze. The sun gazing, just allow yourself to just get out into nature and sun gaze because it helps to open up your third eye, your pineal gland. And sit there for as long as you can and just look directly into that sun. I don't know if you catch my sun here. That's my sun right there. It is so bright. But sitting out here in that sun, possibly 5 to 10 minutes, your pineal gland will become open. You begin to see light, such a brilliant light. So meditate as you look directly into that sun. Get out into your own nature adventure and go sun gazing and sit out there in the sun. I mean, you want the sun to be intensified, bright and very clear, and you want to look directly up into that sun and gaze. That's why it's called sun gazing. You are connecting with your mother nature, your divine source. And right now, I'm beginning to see a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red and blue. I'm seeing a hand now begin to move over, and sparks of all different kinds of forms and shapes begin to move into my view. This beautiful intrinsic blue and the aural and the colors of purple, white. It's beginning to illuminate. The more I'm allowing myself to go deeper into the sun, the more radiant the colors are becoming. There are different arrays of colors: purple, red, pinks, green, white, silver. I mean, they are super amazing. Universe, take me deeper into my outer self. Intensify my body. Open up my pineal gland. Open up my third eye. Pour in your revelation, you'll reveal the knowledge and information and give me an out experience so I can flow with the universe, going deeper and deeper and deeper. The sun is steadily shining. Beautiful sun. Close my eyes. And the aural and the colors will begin to come back. And the sun becoming brighter. And I'm just going to lay here and let you all enjoy the beautiful, beautiful colors of the sky If you can see that sun up there, check out that beautiful sun. I am sitting directly in that sun and I am illuminating. My whole mind is going to a whole nother level. If you can get out into the sun and sit 5 to 10 minutes, just sit totally, absolutely, let yourself be consumed with the beams and the rays of the sun. Let it come and hit you right there in your pineal gland, your third eye. You want to get your third eye right directly into that sunlight and meditate. Close your eyes and begin to see the aura and the colors of the lights. And just relax and lay there. So, I'm going to sit here for 5 minutes in the sun, and I just want y'all to get that beautiful sun up there. It's nature. Nature is beautiful. There are trees. Everywhere I go, there always have to be trees around. There are trees. There are trees. There are trees. I cannot be any place without no trees. It looked like the mountains in the background.
No.
Just showing you the clouds. You know, it goes back and forth. It's cloudy, then it's sunny, then it's cloudy, then it's sunny. It looks like me in a plane, and I'm going through the clouds as the clouds begin to change. I might get back up here. That's that sun.
You're done.
Right, Dad?
Done. You jumping.
Not jumping in.
Okay.
Don't run.
I thank you for coming today and spending time with Destiny. It's a beautiful Saturday. I said every time I get up in front of the camera, every day is a beautiful day for Destiny. It is a beautiful Saturday, and it's August the 17th, 2019. And I just came to do my sun gazing. I'm really getting into the sunlight today.
Don't run.
So I'm not going to hold you up. Head out to nature. Head out into the sun. Like I said, sit there at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. 10 minutes, it's great. Get into the deep part of the sun. Let it beam. Let it be as bright. I hope it's as bright as can get. So you want to sit into a really intensifying heat. So you can warm up that pineal gland, your third eye, so you can allow that third eye chakra to open. And if it doesn't open at that moment while you're sitting in there, keep meditating. When you get back to your house, keep meditating. Keep lying down and talking and speaking your affirmations. You may have a out-of-body experience sometime before that night is gone. Anyway, I love you guys. I love you so much. And I thank you for being a part of my video. I hope this helped you with your meditation. I hope this will help you with your affirmations. And I hope the sun gazing has really triggered your mind to really want to say, hey, I need to get out there and do this myself. And I hope that nature is calling you. Put your ears on and listen. If nature is calling you, better get out there. The trees, it's calling you. They need a hug from you. So go out there and hug a tree. Touch a tree. Love a tree. When you do touch that tree and hug that tree, you out there not just to hug and touch, you out there to pull everything you can get from that tree. All the energy, all the power, the healing, all the peace, everything that tree has, the oxygen, the life, the breath, you suck it all in. And then when you kick off your shoes and you let your feet get into the ground and you started grounding, You can do that about 5 minutes, just bare feet, connecting to the universe. This is all about nature. Anyway, further note, I love you guys. This is my beautiful Saturday, me sitting around into nature. Letting you be a part of what I do. I love you guys. I'm out of here, and I'll see you at the next video. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of the day. But do not let this beautiful day get past you without touching your whole being into nature. Get your body out there into nature. Get your hands out there and touch trees, touch the earth, touch the ground, touch something in nature and connect with Mother Gaia, the earth. And do not forget the beautiful sun that's up in the sky. Anyway, on further note, I love you guys. Talk to you and see you next video. Bye-bye. I think I have messed up.